Hello YouTube. Just an update on this Fender basement amp. I did replace the transistor and the resistor, which are right in that area right there. And I'm pleased to say the amplifier is fixed and working perfectly. I have something on from my YouTube channel just trying it out. To see. As you can hear, it's working. It's not distorted. So yeah, definitely fixed. I love it. I freaking love it. And here's the parts I changed. One transistor. It's an ECG 197. That's the driver transistor. It's an NPN. And I bought a pack of resistors. The 220 ohm resistor that was blown out. I put good ones in. I put metallized film, 2% tolerance. Good stuff, not junk. So these two components I replaced totaled $4.48 to repair this amplifier. Well, as I said, now I got to put it all back together. But hold on one sec. Let me pull it out here. Pull the speakers out. I'll flip it over and I'll show you where I repaired it. I had to put a wire in because the track, or trace, however you want to say it, track trace. The trace was burned so bad, so I had to put a jumper wire in because it was like fried super badly. And I'm just thinking about what Fender told me in that email about the dangerously high voltages that are in this thing. I'm looking at the power supply capacitors, and they're like rated at 35 volts DC. So at best, this power supply probably has maybe 60 volts DC. Boy, that's really dangerous and high voltages. And that they were so worried about me and not wanting to sell me a schematic. I mean, the hell with them. I did fix it without the schematic. So the reason I wanted the schematic was I thought that the transistor was so burned that I'd never get any numbers off of it. But fortunately, I did get numbers off of it, and I was able to cross-reference it. And even though the resistor was fried, it measured 220 ohms. So I checked the other side, the other half of the circuit, and again, same thing, the 220 ohm resistor. So that's how we determined, which resistor value it was, from looking at the other side of the board and the other half of the circuit. So as I said, it's fixed. I'm going to put it back together, and that's that. Another repair done. Mission accomplished. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along. Please subscribe, and we'll see you again in my next video. Bye-bye now.